Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I am from Helping Mind. In this video, I will share how to use emo and buy-wire without number, and it is a proving way. So see the full video to use emo and buy-wire without your personal number. Keep watching. At first, I will go to my Text Now app. I will tap on Text Now. Text Now app is opening. Welcome to Text Now. Here we can see continue with Google, sign up and login. There is no account on Text Now, so I have to tap on sign up to create an account on Text Now. Here we can see two options, email and password. We can create an email randomly. There is no need to use your original email or Gmail. I will use a random Gmail. You can see, just follow my way. Email is already in use, so I have to modify it to take the email. You can see it's taken. Now I will put a password randomly. After putting password, we will finally get the create account. I will tap on create account, creating account. Verify your account. Now I will tap on continue. Verify that you are not a robot. Now I will tap on continue. And I will tap on do not use location. You have to tap on it. Choose a phone number, enter your area code. Here I will put 782, then tap on continue. Now finally we can see 5 different virtual number. Here we can select a number, then tap on continue. And finally we get virtual number. Now I will go to my screen to open emo account. Now I will tap on emo, and here we will select country Canada, as we generate the number is Canada. I select Canada. Now I have to put the number in the number box. You can see 902906023. Now I will put the number in the phone number box, 9029060 and 0253 and 0253. And finally we will check the number again. It's okay. Now I will tap on blue cycle to verify the number. Text was sent to the number. We can see the notifications. Now I will go to the notification to get the PIN number. You can see I will tap on the notification message. The message is open. Now we can see the code is 2653, and I minimize the window and go to emo, and I will put the PIN number 2653 and it's verified. Now I will put my emo messenger name Helping Mind as my channel name. You can use your name or nickname or other Helping Mind. Then tap on camera icon to use a profile picture. I will tap on choose from album. I will select a photo from my gallery. I select a photo randomly and tap on confirm. One moment. and finally we can see my email account is created without my personal number. That means we can create email account without number. I will tap on profile icon. You can see the number is shown with my name, photo and number. Thus we can create email without our personal number. Now I will show you how to open Viber account without number. For this we have to go to our screen and again I will open Text Now app. Tap on Text Now app and Text Now app is open. Now I will tap on three dot icon. Here we will copy the number by tapping on the number. You can see phone number copied to clipboard. Now I will minimize the window and go to my screen. Here I will tap on apps, then tap on Viber. Viber app is opening. Here I will tap on continue. And here we have to change the country as it's generate the number is Canada, so I will select Canada. Tap on Canada and here I will put the number. I tap and hold and tap on paste. Now I will tap on continue. Again I will tap on yes. Activating Viber. 6-digit code was sent to this number. If we will not get the number, we have another options, so we have to wait until we cannot get the SMS containing PIN number. We have to wait 1 minute. You can see the second is running. I will check Text Now app. Here we can see there is not SMS from Viber. There is no message containing Viber PIN number. Again I will go to Viber. Here we can see activate via call, so I will tap on activate via call. Call is processing. Now I will tap on get code. Tap on get code. Now I will receive a call. You can see a call icon is shown on the notification bar. You can see finally we got the code and we will receive the code and it will tell the PIN number containing Viber PIN. I will mute the call so it is more here. When we will get the call, we can write the PIN number in a paper. After writing the PIN number, we will cut the phone by tapping on red cycle. I finished my call. Now I will go to my Viber. Here I will tap on back icon. Again I will tap on back icon. Tap on back icon. Back icon. Here we can see the box and here we will put the PIN number 921774. Activating Viber. It takes a couple of seconds, so we have to wait. Enter your name. Here I will write my channel name, Helping Mind. You can write your name, Helping Mind. and we can see the photo and gallery options. I will tap on gallery to select a photo for my Viber. I will select a photo randomly from my gallery. And I resize the photo and tap on save. Saving picture. Now we can see it's set on my profile. I tap on continue and it's loading. And finally it's created a Viber account. You can also create or source birthday date. I will skip this process. Yes, I tap on yes. Are you 16 years old? You can see finally we will able to create a Viber account. I tap on profile and we can see the name, picture and containing that number. Thus we can create Viber account without number. That means we can create our personal number. Again I will open Imo to see the number, profile picture. Tap on three dot icon to go to my profile. I tap on profile. You can see the number, name and picture. So viewers, hope this video will help you to create Imo and Viber account without your personal number. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.